little things that we got to deal with living next to the freeway. The helicopters always fall to the freeway. Yeah, it is what it is. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So just a quick vlog slash maintenance day actually for the missus. So whenever I'm at work, Gladys is normally here at home by herself, so she comes up with stuff to do. You know, one of the things that she's still working on, trying to get in front of the camera, doing the whole YouTube thing was never really her thing. I'm still dragging her into this life, okay? But it is what it is, and she's doing great. And I know that you guys keep wanting to see more and more of her, and it's one of the things that she is definitely going to be doing a lot more stuff. You just gotta give her a little bit of time, all right? So today while I was at work, she actually washed the house. So I borrowed a pressure washer from a friend and one of the guys from work, and brought it home, and so she's able to do that because she really loves pressure washing. I know, crazy, right? But yes, so that's one of the things that she really loves to do. So I borrow it, bring it home, and she takes care of that whenever I'm at work. And I'll show you that clip here in a little bit. It's just going to go into just a quick time lapse of showing what she did to wash the house, deciding to break all the good stuff. All right, but I also wanted to show you some of the projects that I've been working on in the blacksmith shop. And I'm not gonna have a video on these projects because I am just trying to get them done. But a lot of times I don't get a chance to come out here and actually work on them, except for during like the weekends. Okay, so, but I still want to show you guys what I'm working on. All right, so here's actually one of the tomahawks that I'm currently working on. So I got a nice weld. There's a high carbon bit, and then this is just a mild steel block, which I still got some shaping to do, but I don't really have a really good sander, so I'm just using the angle grinder, and then I have just a little Harbor Freight you know, little bell sander, so it's not the greatest. All right, then another project that I'm currently also working on is this was a wrench tomahawk. So both of these tomahawks are actually for the winners of the Beard Up Challenge. So this was the first place and second place winners. That was for my team, right? The winners of that. So those will be going out whenever they are done. All right, and then this here is actually one of the first socketed chisels that I've ever made. So this is also a work in progress. This is going to be for me because it's not the prettiest. Obviously, I still got to get it cleaned up, get it trued up. So by the time I get all this cleaned up, this is going to be 1.25 inches is what I'm going for. It's 1.25 inches. It's going to be more of like a slick, a smaller slick vice chisel. You can see it is angled from the handle, and the socket wasn't the greatest because I burnt it. Yeah, there's little things that we got to deal with living next to the freeway. The helicopters always fall to the freeway. Yeah, it is what it is. But yeah, there we go. That was the socketed chisel that I'm working on. So I didn't want to record or do a video on this because it's the first one I've ever done, and I wanted to make sure that I can do it. This was actually it does not have anything welded. This entire thing is actually a hardenable steel. This was a clip from a railroad clip. So that's what this is made from. All right, and I definitely want you guys to give us that thumbs up, share us out to your friends, subscribe if you're not already subscribed. That's definitely appreciated. We're not quite at our hours yet for monetization. That will come, and we've already put it out several times too that once we're monetized, 20% of our earnings goes back into the veteran community. So there's that. So we need your help with watch hours. It's greatly appreciated. And so without further ado, let's get to that time lapse of Gladys power washing the house. Alright, so there you go. That's how the wife keeps busy whenever I'm at work. We definitely appreciate you guys for subscribing and all that good stuff. And we'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye now.